Hello friends, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 45.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos.
So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at our first word, intertwine. Friends, intertwine means very closely connected. Its Hindi meaning is एक साथ मिलना. Now look at its sentence. Their destinies are intertwined. Its synonym is knit. Moving to our next word, pacifist. Friends, pacifist means a person who believes in peace. Its Hindi meaning is shantivadi. Now look at its sentence. I have never met such a great pacifist as Derry. Its synonym is peace lover. Moving to our next word, ardent. Friends, ardent means very enthusiastic. Its Hindi meaning is utsahi. Now look at its sentence. His father was an ardent socialist. Its synonym is passionate. The next word that I have for you is vehemently. Friends, vehemently means in a forceful manner. Its Hindi meaning is zordar. Now look at its sentence. Both women vehemently deny charges against them. Its synonym is forceful, or you can say vigorous. Moving to our next word, affluent. Friends, affluent means prosperous. Its Hindi meaning is dhani. Now look at its sentence. The Strand is one of the London's busiest and most affluent streets. Its synonym is wealthy. Moving to our next word, sprawling. Sprawling means things that extend across a large area. Its Hindi meaning is vishal. Now look at its sentence. The fire is sprawling in all directions. Its synonym is spread. The next word is deftly. Friends, deftly means in a skillful or clever way. Its Hindi meaning is chaturai se. Now look at its sentence. They deftly avoided answering my question. Its synonym is dexterously. Look at the next word, Demeanour. Friends, Demeanour means outward behavior. Its Hindi meaning is vyavhar. Now look at its sentence. I was impressed by Robert's demeanour. Its synonym is attitude. The next word that I have for you is dire. Friends, dire means extremely serious. Its Hindi meaning is bhayanak. Now look at its sentence. Misuse of drugs can have dire consequences. Its synonym is terrible. Last but not least is conjugal. Repeat after me. Conjugal. It means relating to marriage or the relationship between a married couple. Its Hindi meaning is vaivahik. Now look at its sentence. Will you allow me my conjugal rights? Its synonym is marital. It's time for the question of the day. So today's question is, What is the synonym of wealthy? A. Deftly, B. Conjugal, C. Affluent, D. Ardent. Give me answer of this question in comment box.